Hello everyone, I am Aditya Sauri. Today our topic is binary tree traversals. We already know about what is tree and what is binary tree. We already discussed these things in previous videos. Now what is binary tree traversals? So it is used to check how each node will be traveled from one location to another location. That means from left to right or left node to parent node. In this way we can find out. There are many operations that we can perform one tree, but one that arises frequently is traversing a tree, that is visiting each node in the tree exactly once. A full traversal produces a linear order for the information in the tree. We have four types of binary tree traversals. They are in order, pre-order, post-order, level order. In order tree traversals, the node will go first left, after that root, after that right. So here we can see in pre-order, first it travels from root, after that left, after that right side. After that, in post order, it first travels from left, after that right, after that node. But in level order, it travels from top to bottom, left to right. So we can discuss these things by using examples also. The first one is in order traversals. In the case of in order traversal, the root of each subtree is visited after its left subtree has been traversed, but before the traversal of its right subtree begins. The steps for traversing a binary tree in order traversals are visiting the left subtree using in order. After that, it visits the root. After that, it visits the right subtree. So in this way, it traverses from one node to another node. If we have child nodes also for these particular nodes, it works like this only. Next one is pre-order. In a pre-order traversals, each root node is visited from its left and right subtree are traversed. Pre-order search is also called backtracking. The steps for traversing a binary tree in pre-order traversals are: it first visits the root. After that, it visits the left subtree using pre-order. At last, it visits the right subtree. So this thing also work for child nodes also. Next one is post-order traversals. In a post-order traversal, each root is visited after its left and right subtrees have been traversed. The steps for traversing a binary tree in post-order traversal are: it first visits the left subtree using post-order. After that, it visits the right subtree using post-order. At last, it visits the root. The next one is level order traversals. In a level order traversal, the nodes are visited level by level starting from the root and going the left to right. The level order traversal requires a queue data structure, so it is not possible to develop a recursive procedure to traverse the binary tree in the level order. This is nothing but a breadth first search technique. Now let us use a small example and implement these tree traversals. So now let us take a small binary tree. So A, B, C. Here I took 3 nodes. A is parent and B, C are children for A node. So in order we already discussed in definition. So left, root, right. So first it starts from left side. So the left node is B. After that it travels to root node, that means A. After that it reaches to right side, C. So in pre-order, first it visit the root, after that left, after that right. So here root is A. A is the root node, we already know that, and left side node is B and right side node is C. In post, first it visit the left, after that right, after that root. So left side B, right side node is C and root node is A. So in this way each node will be visited. And level, so it travels from top to bottom and left to right. So here we have 2 levels. We already know what is level and we discussed this thing in previous videos. So it is level 1, sorry, level 0 and it is level 1. So from top to bottom, so it travels from top to bottom level. And what is the topmost node? A. And it travels from left to right, but here our root node is A and another node will be there. So from top A is there, that's why first it visit the A, and next level BC, and it have to travel from left to right. So left side node is B and right side node is C. So in this way we can traverse each node by using these techniques. Now let us take another example. Now let us work with this binary tree, how it traverses from one node to another node. Before discussing those 4 types, now let us split this binary tree. So here it is one sub binary tree, it is another sub binary tree, and this is another sub binary tree, and this is another sub binary tree. And for these sub binary trees we have this one. So if we split it like this, we can visit the node easily without any confusion, because here we use some little bit big example. So that's why it's better to split each and every subtrees. Okay, so now let us check in order traverses. We already know how it visit. First it visit the left, after that it visit the root, after that it visit the right side. So in order, so first it visit the left node. So first which we have to check the left side of the root node. So left side means B, after that B had 2 children, that is D and E, and D has another 2 children. So here we have a subtree belongs to D and we have another subtree belongs to E. So first we have to check the left side, that means, so for D we have H and I children's. So we have to check from there. So first we have to visit the left one, that is H, after that root, that means D, after that right. So left side is completed. Now okay, this D belongs to the left side. Now we have to visit the root. Why we have to visit the root? So because of the definition only we are checking. So now we completed the left side, so we have to visit the root. So what's the root of HDI? Is it is B. Now we have to visit to the right side, that means EJK. For EJK we have to visit first left node, that is J, after that root node, that is E, after that K. So for this, okay, here D subroot and E subroot are finished. Now we have to check the, okay, we already gave the left side. Now we have to check for the right side. So as per our definition, left, root, right, in these things we finished the entire left side. Now we have to visit the root node, that means what's the root node of this entire left? A. Now we have to check for the right side. So we have to visit first the left, because as per our definition. So after that we have to visit F, because it has a left side. After that root is L. After that root is F, after that M. Again we have to visit C, because left is completed. After that we have to give again N, because N is left side. After that root, after that right. So H, D, I, B, J, E, K, A, L, F, M, C, N, G, O. So in this way, in order, we can visit each and every node. Now let us discuss another tree traversal, that is pre-order. We can see the diagram representation of a binary tree. So before going to the example, let us split these subtrees. Okay, in pre-order, how it will be traveled? First it visits the root node, after that it visits the left, after that it visits the right nodes. So here what is the root node? A. So pre-order. So first it receives, visit the root node of A, after that B, because after root node it visits the left node. So in left side B is the root node, after that D. So here D is also the root node. After that it visits the left side, that means here left node is H. After that it visits the right, that is I. Next it comes to the right side. So after root node and left node it visits the right side. So in right side E is the root and J is the left node and K is the right. So here we finish the root node and the left side nodes. Now we have to visit the right side nodes. In right side, that means this block. So in right side, C is the root node, and here after that root node we have to visit the left side. In left side, F is the root node, and L is in left side, M is in right side. So at last it visits the right side, and in right side G is the root node and N is the left and O is the right side. So in this way it visits each and every node in pre-order. Another technique of tree traversal is post order. Now let us discuss post order, and let us check how it travels from one node to another node by using post order. And here in post order it visits left node first, after that it visits the right node, after that it visits the root node. So in this example we have a binary tree and the root node containing so many subtrees, and we already splitted the all subtrees. So in post order, first it visits the left node. So in this subtree DHI, the left node is H. After that it visits the right side, that means I. After that it visits the root node, that means D. So left side is completed. Now it visits the right side, that means E, J, K. So first it visits the J because it is in left side, after that K, after that E. So here we finished the left side nodes and right side nodes. Now we have to visit the root node. So the root node of these two subtrees are B. So now we finished the left side nodes. Now we have to visit the right side nodes, that means C, F, G. So here F is another subtree and G is another subtree. So first we have to check this thing. So L is left side, after that M because it is right side, after that F is the root node, like that way only, N, O, G. And for these two subtrees C is the root node. Now we visited the left side and right side of the nodes. After that at last we have to visit the root node, that means here A is the root node. So in this way each and every node will be travel from left, right and root. Now let us check another type of tree traversals, that is level order. Level order traversals. So we already know it visits first from top to bottom. After that it checks from left to right. So here A is the root node and here A is the topmost node. After that next level is BC. So it checks each and every node as per levels. So we already discussed what are the levels. So here we have 4 levels, 0, 1, 2, 3 levels. So from top to bottom it checks the levels, and after that left to right it checks each and every node. So here topmost level is 0. So in 0 we have only one node, that is A. After that we have another level called 1. Here we have 2 nodes, that are B and C, but we have to come from left to right, and here left node is B and right node is C. So here level 1 is finished. After that we have another level, second level, and we have to check from left to right. So D, E, F, G. So here another level is finished, and we have another last level H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So in this way, in level order traversal, each and every node will be travel. So these are the types of binary tree traversals: in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order traversals. I hope you understand each and every topic.